You know that feeling when the house is finally quiet, the sun has set, but your mind is making noise louder than a sound system at carnival? In the Caribbean, we talk about nerves and we talk about pressure. We sometimes feel like a sukona has visited us in the night, draining our energy, leaving us tired before the day even starts. You try to think positive, you try to pray it away, but the worry keeps walking the same path in your mind. Today, I want to show you that this isn't a weakness in your spirit. It is a biological loop in your brain. But just like the old people say, small axe fall big tree. I'm going to give you 3 scientific strategies, our small axes, to chop down that tree of worry and rewire your mind for good. Imagine your brain is like a thick piece of bush or forest behind your grandmother's house. The first time you walk through it to get to the river, it's hard. You have to chop the grass, you have to push the vines. But if you walk that same path every day to worry about money or to stress about your health, what happens? The grass dies, the dirt gets hard, it becomes a road. Neuroscience calls this a neural pathway. When you stress, your brain is just taking the easy road it knows. It's not that you want to worry, it's just that the road is wide and paved. To change your mind, we have to let the grass grow back over that old road of worry and cut a new path of peace. Strategy 1. You know the proverb, one Coco full basket. We often think changing our life requires a big explosion. But the brain learns through surprise, not force. Science calls this neuroplasticity, but I call it the 1 Coco method. When you are stuck in a loop of stress, your brain is on autopilot. To wake it up, you don't need to meditate for an hour. You need to confuse it slightly. The strategy. Tomorrow, I want you to do one routine thing differently. Brush your teeth with your left hand. Put your watch on the other wrist. Take the long way past the roundabout to get to work. Why? Because when the brain encounters something new, it releases a chemical called BDNF. Think of it like fertilizer for your mind. You are signaling to your brain, we are not on the old road anymore. You are breaking the trance. Strategy 2. There is a saying, do not look where you fell, look where you slipped. When we get a negative thought, we tend to stay on the ground. We say, I am foolish, or why does this always happen to me? We wallow in the fall. Neuroscience tells us the brain believes whatever story you tell it most often. If you tell yourself you are trapped, your reticular activating system will look for proof. The strategy. We are going to look where we slipped. When a thought comes like, I will never get healthy, I want you to catch it. Don't fight it. Just add the word yet. Rewire the story. Instead of, I am broken, say, I am healing. It sounds simple, but you are physically building a new bridge over the river of stress. Strategy 3. In the Caribbean, we know about cooling down. You can't run a car engine hot all day. It will mash up. Your brain is the same. We have a nerve called the vagus nerve. It connects your brain to your gut and your heart. When you are stressed, this connection is on fire. The strategy. We are going to use the ocean breath. Breathe in through your nose for a count of 4, hold for 7, and blow it out for 8. Breathe in through your nose for a count of 4, silence for breath. Hold for 7, silence for hold. And blow it out through your mouth like you are blowing a gentle breeze through a window for 8 counts. Do this with me now. This isn't just relaxing. You are sending a physical text message from your body to your brain saying, we are safe. The danger has passed. You are turning off the alarm. Our ancestors survived storms and struggles and restartings. They had resilience wired into their DNA. You have that same power. The brain you have today is not the brain you have to keep. You have the tools, the small acts of small changes, the wisdom to look where you slipped, and the breath to cool your engine. If you are ready to rewrite your story and build a mind as strong as iron, type I am ready in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Mind and Body Hub. Walk good, my friends.